We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, and the target was 5.3 by 5.52 because we mentioned we want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. As we can see, almost near to the target. The first one broke, the second one it couldn't take, and after that the price dropped. That means whoever get the trade after this correction, they should whether take out the trade or move their stop loss to break even. And whoever keep the trade, then they should take out in the break even. You know, once see what's the next and how we can look for chart. First, we move to daily chart. We have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. Okay, because now the way was moving is quite tends to a corrective move, because if we move to forward chart, we want to see whether this is the start of the reversal or we can expect this one turn to correction in relative to this. That means we can look for bigger internal flat for one more drop. The reason is if we put this low in relative to the previous one, we don't have the divergence. That means this one is, we cannot call it ABC. We can get one move up, the price to drop. We need to be we need to know about this possibility. Okay, now still we're looking at this. If this one turns to a deeper correction, we can look for buy. But if the price is going to drop, selling, it depends. Unless based on forward chart, mostly we cannot look for sell. If we want to look for sell, we prefer this one turn to a deeper move. I don't think this is the start of the down move. That means still we can look for continuation, but right now we cannot confirm. That's why whoever get the trade within this range, they should start to manage. Now we want to see whether the price is going to drop or we get the deeper correction. Mostly I'm looking for the deeper correction. That means still we are in the uptrend. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. All right. Now the question is based on 1 hour chart whether we can look at this one as a flat or not. Okay, that means still we can expect this one turn to a deeper move. Then any reversal from there we can look for buy. Right now we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell, and even if we refer to the indicators, it doesn't give us confirmation for the price is going to drop. Okay, that's why we have to see what we get here. If there is a continuation as a sharp move, flag, or correction for sell, this is where we can confirm to look for drop. But whether we should look for sell or not, we need to see. We cannot confirm now. Okay, depends on the strategy the traders they use. But for me, now I'm looking for the flat. I want to see if I get the reversal. If I get any trade setup, I will take the trade. If not, I just let it go. Because after the price broke the previous top, if we get any up move, we can refer to the indicators. Then from there, we see whether we have a divergence or not. And the reversal is as a sharp move or corrective. If we have a divergence, then from there, we can look at this one as a three waves. Either we get the deeper correction or reversal. Then if we want to look for sell, from there can be a good idea. Okay, anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell, and right now I'm looking for this. I want to see whether we can get the flat. All it depends what we get here. If we get any trade setup, we can look for either buy or sell, but we have to wait for the correction or reversal. And if the price is going to drop, in case this is the start of the down move as a small flag at the top, then just let it go. We are not going to sell it. For me, I'm not going to sell it at this stage because we can consider this one as a flag. Because if we refer to this one, the price broke the previous top, we see we have a divergence. Okay, anyway, we don't have a really good trade setup right now. And the only thing is I want to see whether I can look at this one as a flat or not. How deep it can go if just we put our fib, we know, but it doesn't matter if this one turns to a deeper move. If the reverse, it can give me a better opportunity to look for buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and whoever get the trade within this range, exactly here, if still they keep the trade, they try to take out the trade, and we look for the next opportunity. Thanks.